This is a review of the UYIGAO Capacitance Meter, model UA6013L. It lets you test capacitors from 20,000 microfarads all the way down to nanofarads and picofarads. It comes with alligator style probes. An instruction manual. It says it's accurate within 0.5%. Seems heavy duty and well made. It's got a fold out stand. The battery compartment is a Phillips head screw. The screw hole is metal and threaded, so that's heavy duty. And also I like the battery compartment. It's got little prongs instead of one of those cheapo snap-on things. And it does work with a rechargeable 9-volt battery. First up is a air compressor capacitor. It's rated between 161 and 193 microfarads. So I'll set the meter to 200 microfarads. And it's 159 microfarads. So this capacitor is good. It's just a few points low, but it's still probably a very good capacitor. Now I'm going to test some of these tiny ceramic and mylar caps. The smallest ceramic cap is 100 picofarads. And that's where you use this little adjustment knob to zero the meter. It's extremely sensitive down this low. This is 100 picofarad ceramic cap. And it measures 101 picofarads. This is a 4.7 nanofarad ceramic cap, 4.69. This is an 18 nanofarad mylar cap, 18.4 nanofarads, and this is a 22 nanofarad mylar cap, 22. To get the value of these small caps, I found a couple charts online, and it's really pretty simple. Now I'm going to test some caps that I know are bad. This is 16 volt, 47 microfarad. Should read no higher than 1.0 on the ESR meter. This is 12, so it's very bad cap on the ESR. On the capacitance meter, it reads 28 microfarads, and it's supposed to be 47. This is a 16 volt 1200 microfarad cap, and it reads 18 ESR, and it's kind of freaking my meter out a little bit. On the ESR chart it should read no higher than 0.15, so this is a really bad cap. And on the capacitance meter it actually reads okay, even though I know this is a bad cap because it leaked all over the place and it's got bad ESR. So sometimes you got to go by the ESR meter. Capacitance isn't always going to give you a good indication on if the cap is good or bad. And now I'll test some caps that I know are good. Next up is a 35 volt 3,300 microfarads. So I'll set it for the 20,000 microfarads, and it is 3,440 microfarads. This is a 16 volt 470 microfarads, and it's right on the money. This is 50 volts 100 microfarads. I actually want to move it down 100 microfarads, right on the money. And this is a 50 volt 1 microfarad cap. It's rating one notch down, 0.97 microfarads. Now I'm going to test if it can read the capacitor when it's in circuit. This is a 16 volt 22 microfarad cap. Oh, I gotta go up. 21.9 microfarads in circuit. Now I'm going to pull the cap and retest it out of circuit. And the same cap out of circuit reads the 22 microfarads. I paid just $12.39 for this on eBay, and it seems very accurate. It's a good addition to an ESR meter and a digital multimeter for electronics repair. Thanks for watching.